All right, troops, we're back, and we're just kind of getting down to the last nitty-gritty detail. So I had noticed we still have some nasties. Good shot of my fingers. Down in here. So what we're going to try to do, let's see, can we reach this one? I've got to get a different camera. This is something else. Okay, so getting all this out of here. Now, the other thing too, the oil pan is currently off, so I'm not too terribly worried about this. Whatever falls down, falls down. But I definitely don't want anything to further contaminate. So we'll just keep on doing some detail work here and pull the lifters out. Hopefully, I do know these tend to get stuck. I'll attempt it with my magnet. If not, you can kind of see down on here, there's the lifter, and there's the little, I don't know the proper terminology for that, but I'll use my hook and just pull that straight out. So, see what we can come up with.